DIY Fairy Garden Thursday. Teacup Fairy Garden. Putting these little flowers in the teacup. Welcome to my channel. This is Fairy Garden Thursday and it is hosted by Grandma Sandy. And her co-hosts are Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and Sandra Lynn, Home and Garden, and myself, Sharon. In this teacup, I would like the flowers at the back of the teacup to show through as well, because I think it's very pretty that way. And our little fairy is just watering away. And I'm just adding the little flowers all around her feet. Well, I got a few more flowers in that little teacup. And this is the other teacup that I'm going to make in this video. It is very, very pretty, and I'm just showing you some of my little shelf sitters and my signs that I made. And this is decoupaged with a napkin, and it has a hedgehog hugging a mushroom. And I just thought this napkin was very, very sweet, so I made a few little signs and sitters to sell at the seniors hall. Fairy garden just started. Okay, here's the little teacup all finished. I put a vine over the top, and as you can see, I put a little puppy dog in there to keep her company while she's watering her flowers. I think he is pretty cute. And lots of flowers in there. And the lovely vine that goes over top. And then I put flowers kind of around the cup, all the way around. And a couple of bumblebees right on the teacup. And I thought this teacup turned out very pretty. I hope you think it's pretty too. Okay, I'm working on another teacup. And this teacup it's yellow and it has wheat on it. I think it's so pretty. I'll show you this. Has wheat on it. And so far I put my butterfly bench there, and I'm just putting a little moss in and around. And then that way the bench will show up better. So I'll finish putting the moss where I want it. And then we'll see what else we'll do with it. Okay, I got a little ahead of myself about videoing, but this is what we've got so far. I put moss in there, and then we put the bench on it. And on the bench we have a little fairy sitting, and she has a book. And it's Memories Farm. So she's remembering about the farm. Maybe on that farm they did wheat. This cup's got wheat on it. And I have my bunny rabbit down there. And she's visiting away with the bunny rabbit. And I'm putting some wheat stalks in and around. And these are just phony wheat stalks, and I'm just taking them off the wire, and I'm putting them in and around. Probably just maybe one more, just have 3 kind of in behind or beside the bench and stuff. And I think that might be enough. Okay, let's get this finished. Well, here it is all finished. She's sitting on her bench with her book of memories of the farm. And she's got wheat growing out around her and the pretty yellow teacup with the gold wheat on it with her bunny and some yellow mushrooms with lots of moss. And I think it turned out rather pretty. I think this is a sweet little fairy garden. I hope someone buys it and enjoys it in their home. There's another little close-up so you can see all the details. And there's usually lots of little fun things here and there in the teacups. And I think the bunny and the little fairy are having a great chat about the memories from the farm. And I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment so I know who's here. Now we're going to have another look at the other teacup that I finished. And these two little teacups were a lot of fun to make. And I just love all the little animals. So I hope you enjoyed this Fairy Garden Thursday. I know I always enjoy participating in this collaboration. And don't forget, the two co-hosts are Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and Sandra Lynn's Home and Garden. And all you have to do is put hashtag Fairy Garden Thursday and you'll find us all. Well, thanks again, Grandma Sandy. And we'll see you in our next video. We'll see you in our next Thursday Fairy Garden. And my next video is Sunday Home Reset, where I get my house set for another week. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.